Guess 25 fruits in 3 seconds. You have just 3 seconds to guess 25 common fruits. From sagwa to subak, how many can you name?
사과,
배,
복숭아,
포도,
딸기,
귤,
감,
수박,
참외,
키위,
바나나,
오렌지,
레몬,
망고,
아보카도,
자몽,
파인애플,
체리,
블루베리,
자두,
살구,
밤,
석류, 무화과,
멜론.
That's the end of our fruit guessing challenge. How many Korean fruits did you get right out of 25? Tell us your score in the comments below. We love to see your progress. If you want to master these words, don't forget to download the free flashcard PDF from the description box. See you next time. Annyeong.